How's it, everyone? Another day, another pack, another booster pack opening. Today's booster pack will be Opio 7. We're gonna keep opening packs until we hit manga, and then after that, if we ever hit a manga, we're gonna keep opening pack until we hit another manga. So let's think for one manga for now. But let's see if we can get for this one for Opio 7. I think it's don't know because I haven't hit one yet. Anyway, first one, another bird, Lily, Bonnie, crocodile, and Rob Lucci. Not today, but thank you for tuning in. Shoots, mahalos.